Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I think you heard something about Star Savior. It's a new popular game which you can play on Android or iOS devices. But how to play this game on your PC? In this video I'm going to be showing you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, to play this game on your PC, you have to install an Android emulator on your device. So go to the browser and type here LD Player download, just like that. After that, go to their official website or just click on download LD Player right here. And then on the next page, you will see the necessary button, download LD Player 9. Click on it, then launch the installer. And after that, open up the application, just double click on it. Now on your screen, you can see the virtual phone. You have to click on apps and then go to Play Store. And right here, just install the necessary game, in our case, Star Savior. So click on it, find it in the search box, for example, and then click on the install button right here. But as you can see, I've already installed this game and I can start playing it right now. Let's click on the play button, continue, and now you already can see the loading page. As you can see, I have to install almost 10 gigabytes of additional files. And finally, you can start playing this game. Just select the necessary server and tap to start. Hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.